In this tutorial, I'll be going over the basic operation of spColumn by covering example 3 from the spColumn manual. Design of a slender column sway frame. The problem formulation is to design a square column with a clear height of 16 feet. The column is sway and subjected to dead, live, and wind loads as shown below. To begin, we're going to prepare our input. Go to the input menu, choose general information, and we're going to fill out the labels for the project. This is example 3. For the column, we can just put sway. For the engineer, we'll put SP for StructurePoint. For the design code, we're going to use ACI 318-14. For the units, we're going to use English. For the run option, we're going to choose design. For the run axis, we're going to choose about the x-axis. And for consider slenderness, we're going to choose yes. And choose OK. Alright, next, go to Input, Material Properties. And for concrete strength, we're going to use 5 KSI. And for reinforcing steel, we're going to use 60 KSI. And choose OK. Alright, back to the input menu. Choose Section, Rectangular Section. Alright, for the start, we're going to use 18 inches. And the same for the end. And along the Y, for the depth, we're going to use 18 inches as well. Choose OK. Alright, go back to the input menu and choose Reinforcements, all sides equal. And we want 4 number 10 bars for the minimum, and we want 40 number 10 bars for the maximum. And for the clear cover, we're going to use 1.5 inches, and we're going to use transverse bars and rectangular layout. Choose OK. Alright, back to the input menu. Choose slenderness, design column. For the clear height, we're going to have 16 feet. We're going to choose sway frame. And for the sway criteria, we're going to use 28.67. And we're going to use 27.33. And select compute K-factors and choose OK. Alright, back to the input menu. And we're going to go to slenderness, columns above and below. And we're going to clear the no column specified option. And for the height, we're going to use 11 feet. For the width, we're going to use 18 inches. For the depth, we're going to use 18 inches. And for the concrete, we're going to use 5 KSI. And then we're going to leave the rest default. And we're going to choose Copy Column to Below. And choose OK. Alright, and back to the input menu. We're going to choose Slenderness, X-beams. Alright, choose above left and clear the no beam specified. And then input for the span, we want 20, and we want 0, 0 for the width and depth. And we're going to leave everything default except the inertia. We're going to put in 21,436.6. And now we're going to choose above right, and we're going to copy the beam from the left. And we're going to choose below right, and we're going to copy the beam from above. And then we're going to choose below left, and we're going to copy the beam from above. Choose OK. Alright, back to the input menu. We're going to choose Loads, Service. Alright, under Dead, we're going to put in 380, and then for the X moments, we're going to put 32 and negative 54. And for the sustained load, we're going to leave it at 100. And now for the live load, we're going to put 140, and we want 20 for the top and negative 36 for the bottom. And we're going to leave the sustained load default. And for the wind, we're going to put 0 for the axial load, and we're going to put 50 for the top and negative 50 for the bottom. Alright, now choose Insert and choose OK. Alright, back to the input menu. Choose Input, Loads, Load Combinations. And we want to select all the load combinations here. So we're just going to click and drag to select them all. And then choose Delete. Choose Yes. And now we can enter in 1.2 for the dead load, 1.6 for live, 0 for wind, 0 for EQ, and 0.5 for snow. Choose Insert. Alright, and next we want 1.2 for dead, 0.5 for live, 1.6 for wind, 0 for EQ, and 0.5 for snow. Choose insert, and now choose OK. Now we're ready to solve, so go to solve, execute, and here we have our interaction diagram, and if we want, we can go to view, results, for more detailed results. We can view our inputs and the results right here, and if we want, we can go to view, reporter, and reporter will generate a report for us, and we can export our results in various formats. Thank you for listening to the tutorial, and please check out our other videos, and the links should be below the video.